We are going to take a look at a Dustek 500 dB dust collector. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a very straightforward dust collector that is simple and cost-effective. It has a 5 horsepower 230 460 volt 3-phase motor, currently wired 230 volt 3-phase. It has a 10-inch inlet and it is capable of 2400 CFM. The upper bags have patches, but everything is functional. This machine can be broken down for shipping. Included are 2 newer lower plastic bags. At some point, someone added an upper support arm that also acts as a shaker. Primitive but functional. The impeller, motor, and bearings are in excellent condition. If you keep watching the video in its entirety, it takes about 3 minutes for the fan to stop on its own, and it does so ever so quietly.